Xingtai Sichuang Machinery Manufacturing Co., Limited is a professional manufacturer of electric loader and diesel wheel loader from China. We have more than 20 years of loader production experience. Our loaders have good quality, low price, reasonable structure, simple operation, and perfect after-sales service. Our loader is mainly used to shovel, load, unload, and transport bulk materials, such as soil and stone. It can also carry out light shoveling operation on rock and hard soil. If you change different working devices, you can also complete the work of bulldozing, lifting, loading and unloading other materials. In highway construction, it is mainly used for filling and excavation of subgrade engineering, aggregate and loading of asphalt and cement concrete stockyard. Because it has the advantages of fast operation speed, good mobility and light operation, it has developed rapidly and become the main machinery in earthwork construction. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.